Assalamualaikum. I am Nurhafizah binti Azmi, Matric ID PB18127. We are from Group 10 representing about one of our topic in project portfolio management. So for today, for our group, we choose chapter 2, which is identify area of pain for my group assignment. Whether you are dedicated project manager or project management is one of the many roles you cover. There are some key areas of project management that field service business must address. If you want to constantly improve efficiently in your business, effectively use your resources and grow your customer base, you must use a smart project. This point about the usually project challenges faces by the business. First of all, is misalignment between project and their business objective. At this phase, where we want a good objective for our business, we will face a current problem, so that we should do some revision to start and build our project. Second issue is late or delay project. This issue usually happen where a project cannot follow the time set. Next is defensive conflict. Most project integrated sharing people, equipment, resource and deliverable. That's why this case can cause us a single project delay that effect on this.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurizati binti Mali. My metric ID is PB18108. Okay, today I will explain about the typical pain area in project portfolio management. Okay, there are 5 typical area in project portfolio management, which is, the first one is lack of strategic alignment and goals. And the next one is poor planning, accountability and communication. And the third one is poor resource allocation and inappropriate skill. And move to the next point, which is different technical system. And then the last one is the management unable to measure a progress and make a decision. Okay, next I will pass to my friend.
I'm metric number PB18106. Now I will talk about implementing PPM. Implementing PPM making effective and efficient decision about project based on rational, accurate and real-time data can be virtually impossible. As we all know, many businesses lag day by day, especially during this pandemic COVID-19. So that they need to facilitate the discussion and resolution of difficult project decision. PPM process enable business user to organize a series of projects into the portfolio. They have to produce report based on effective cost, resource and risk. PPM also a dynamic process whereby projects are evaluated, prioritized and selected based on goal of obtaining the greatest possible value from the organization.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurain Sakinah binti Muhammad Yusof, Matric ID PB18130. Okay, today I will explain the consequences of not implementing PPM. Okay, first, the portfolio management. There are no portfolio management means it will be reluctant to kill the project, and the new project will be added, and there are no focus to one project. The weak decision will be weak, and there are no rigorous criteria and selected based on emotion and politics, and there are no strategic criteria for project selection. Then next is immediate result, because there are too many projects, the resources spread and the execution will be suffer. There are too many medical low value project, and good project will be staffed, and the wrong project selected. The project will be lack strategic direction and alignment. Lastly, the end result, it will be poor performance. It increased time to market and higher failure rates. There are too few top product winners and chaotic launches, and there are many failures happen due to effort and new product don't support strategy. Okay, change management and adoption challenge. PPM is a change project, therefore resistance to change will occur in the organization. With the implementation of PPM, typical political manipulation around that project will become more difficult. It will bring problem to both senior and operation manager, as it is difficult to hide instead with PPM. Okay, when the PPM is implemented properly, PPM often require organizational change across the business, and that can be very difficult to carry out. Okay, that's all from.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Kurtaini binti Muhammad Nuri. My metric number is PB18102. My part for present is PPM best practice. PPM best practice have 5 parts. First is who, what, how and when. Who, focus to engage with the right people. Involvement of senior management and executive buy-in important. Second is why. Why is identifying the pain and calculating ROI. Justify the benefit of implementing PPM toward the organization. ROI analysis will help the organization define and quantify benefits and also identify quantitative and qualitative benefit from deploying PPM. And the third part is what. What are selecting right tools? Successful implementing of PPM depend critical selection of the right software tool. And fourth is how. How is testing the tool and process? Using proof of benefit important to enable the organization, minimize all risks associated with implementing PPM. And the last part is when. When focus to avoid big bang deployment. Use result from business case and POB to scale the PPM solution throughout the area of business that are